Hey there, I'm back this week for the final TC's 2 cents of the 2024 financial year. Can't believe it's rolled around, but the last sort of 6 or 8 weeks have flashed past pretty quickly with all those final year-end bits and pieces that we need to get on top of. This week I just wanted to talk about the use of myGov to prepare your tax return if you're a salary and wage earner. Many of us will be waiting for our employers to finalise their single touch payroll, and then it'll be a matter of hit the go button, get the tax return done, and achieve the great Australian dream, the second great Australian dream after home ownership, of getting our yearly tax refund. So go for it, guys. We love it. However, I did just want to run through the benefits of using myGov. It has improved significantly over the past years as this data gathering that I've been banging on about is just improving more and more. We see that, say, compared to the old e-tax from back in the day, the myGov is just so much easier to use. We've all probably already got it on our phones anyway, phones and computers, because of Medicare, family tax benefits, all that sort of thing. So if we just add the tax side of it, we can very easily do our tax return on myGov. A lot of the information will be pre-populated. So if you are a salary and wage earner, you've got a bit of interest and maybe a couple of dividends, I would probably recommend doing the return on myGov. Save yourself a few dollars in terms of tax agent fees, which, probably, if all you want to do is prepare your return and get your refund, you can probably save yourself a couple of bucks there and achieve the same result. Couple of things to bear in mind. What sort of deductions you might be able to achieve, and is something accessible or not? Just bear in mind, we've got our good friend Google, and our other new and fabulous friend Chat GPT. So the accessibility to understanding what deductions you might be able to claim are even better. Jump in Chat GPT, say, I'm a teacher, what sort of deductions could I claim? And go through that. It is very worthwhile, and like I say, it's a very good, very easy, and very worthwhile function with myGov there, and it'll save you a few dollars. So go for it. Obviously, guys, if things are a little more complex, rental properties, capital gains tax matters, employee shares that you might be a little bit wary of. Also, if you are planning on doing some things over the next few years, perhaps it's worth sitting down with an accountant or a tax agent who can take into account those things and bounce a few ideas off that'll be worthwhile over the coming years. Like I say, Google and ChatGPT are probably your best friends in this instance to understand your position. And as always, as I keep banging on about, record keeping. And record keeping at the time is vital. Your work from home expenses. This is something the ATO is really strongly pushing. They want some sort of understanding. So make sure you've made some notes now about what days you've been working from home. If that changed partway through the year, set out when it changed, why it changed also. Your conditions of employment might have changed. Your working days might have changed. You might have picked up an extra day that might have been from home. Just make a bit of a note there. Give yourself some commentary so that if the ATO asks the question, you're not sitting there going, I plucked a figure out of the air. Or having to sit there and think, how did I come to that figure? Check it out, make your notes. Again, same thing as well. If you are at all concerned, maybe think about some audit insurance just in case the ATO does come out and have a look, and you do need to get an accountant or tax agent involved to manage that process. But like I say, myGov, significant improvements over recent years, and go for it. If you're a salary and wage earner with a few bits and pieces, I'd give it a crack. I'm TC, and that's my 2 cents, the last 2 cents of 2024 financial year. Cheers, guys.